the tariff tsunami hit from Trump, and now you're starting to see rubber meet the road in terms of what some of these tariffs actually look like. And you combine that with some softer economic news, the market is a little nervous about this combo 1-2 punch.
Amending cancel. Have you had a cancellation order?
Look, tariffs, this is the date that everyone was waiting for, August 1st. And as you're starting to see some of those tariffs and some of the numbers, you're looking at basically what's going to be an 18-20% blended tariff for the US. That's 6-7x than what we saw in the highest going back to, over the last 60 years. So it shows some countries are really getting hit high on tariffs, especially Brazil, India, and others. And I think now the market is trying to figure out, are these tariffs in pen and ink or are they in pencil? You're really seeing a risk off for tech stocks. I think the numbers from Amazon were good, but some caution. And you're seeing overall just a risk off environment given the soft unemployment numbers, as well as what we're seeing in terms of, just nervousness about tariffs. So that's why tech is really taking on the chin. I mean, if you look at big tech stocks, they're down anywhere from 3 to 5% today. NASDAQ obviously is leading the charge downward. I think you knew there was going to be nervousness. I think the tariffs are probably a little higher than the street wanted to see. And now the question is, do they hold court? Do they actually implement, or are there more negotiations ahead? And I think you knew these dates were coming. You knew the tariffs were going to hit. But everyone's also waiting for what the big ones in terms of China, that continues to sort of be front and center. That's really going to drive the market.